Good morning, first graders. Happy Monday. This week we are going to read a story called Two Greedy Bears on Wednesday. Our theme concept, we have a brand new theme. This is theme 10. It's our last theme. We've got 3 weeks of it. And so 3 more weeks of blueprints, and then you guys have learned all of the phonics skills you need to be successful readers. Great job. All right, our strategy is to predict and infer, so we'll take a look at that in just a moment. And our skill is making predictions. So again, a prediction is something that we think is going to happen, right? All right, so let's take a look at predict and infer. I'm going to read it to you, and you can read it with me if you'd like. What did you read? What do you know? Put it together. What does it show? All right, today we are going to get our stretchers ready, and our first word is house. Good job. My. How. Sock. Soil. Good job. All right, taking a look, we have the same suffixes that we had last week. So our first one is, here we go, suffix, F-U-L, sound, full, meaning, full of. Suffix, L-Y, sound, ly, meaning, in a way that is. Suffix is y, sound, e, meaning, full of. Our last one is suffix, es, sound, es or ease, meaning more than one or somebody else. All right, let's take a look at some words with those suffixes. Our first one has the full, which, for example, is hopeful. If you're hopeful, this is our base word hope, then that means you are full of hope. So you're full of that hope that something could happen. For our suffix ly, which means in a way that is, we have our base word of sure. We add the ly, that means in a way that is sure, like you're certain of something, you're sure of something. All right, our suffix y, which makes that e sound, which again means full of. So if you are greedy, that means you're full of, what's the base word? Yep, greed. So you're full of greed. And our last one, the es. So that it means more than one or somebody else. So with dress as, we could have more than one dress, like 10 dresses, or we could be talking about somebody else, right? So we could say, she dresses herself. And I think I made a mistake earlier. I think I said e's or i's for the es, and the sound for that is actually just as. So my apologies. Es makes the as sound. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at our new words this week. All right, go ahead and put 2 hands on your head. We're going to tap your head and spell the word head. Spell head. Nice job. My turn. Sure. Your turn. In a whisper voice, spell sure. My turn. Laugh. Your turn. In a little mouse voice, spell laugh. My turn. Break. Your turn. All right, let's pretend you've got a stick and you're going to break it apart. So hold on to that stick with 2 hands right in front of you, and with each letter I want you to break the stick in half. Ready? Here we go. Spell break. My turn. Water. Your turn. All right, let's make some rushing water coming down the river, flowing out into the ocean. Get those waves going with your hand up and down and up and down. Make your hands go up and down with the waves. All right, with each letter, make a wave go up and down, carrying the letter out to the ocean. Spell water. My turn. One. Your turn. All right, hold up one finger. This is like the number one. Spell one. My turn. Some. Your turn. All right, in a big giant voice, spell some. My turn. Stomachs. Your turn. All right, with stomachs, I see there's an S at the end. So my base word is stomach, but there's an S, so that means there's more than one stomach. All right, put your hand on your stomach and give your belly a nice light tap as you spell each letter. It's a big word. All right, here we go. Spell stomachs. Good job. My turn. Into. Your turn. All right, let's jump up and down for this one. If you want to, you can stand up. If you don't feel like standing up, you can just sit down, maybe stomp your feet. Here we go. Spell into. My turn. They. Your turn. All right, get your hands ready. We're going to clap this one out. Clap out and spell they. Good job. My turn. Both. Your turn. All right, this time let's try and snap your fingers with each letter. Snap it out. Spell both. Good job. Oh, you guys can do this one. Take a minute, look at it. Do you know the word? Yep, it's the word was. All right, here we go. See if you can close your eyes. Spell was. Good job. All right, let's do some sounds here. We're going to see some new sounds this week. So I'm going to help you out for the first couple of days. Our first sound is or. The O-R makes the or sound. Here we go. Sound, or. Good job. The O-R-E also says or. So let's try that one. Sound, or. Sound, sound, sound. The ow or o. Sound. Here's a new one. The U-R makes the sound. Here we go. Sound, sound. Here's that new one again. Or. Sound. Yep, the or again. Or. Sound, sound. This is another new one. The AR says R. Here we go. Let's try it. Sound, R. Sound, and sound. Good job. All right, there we go. Day one, let's go ahead and sound out some words. Sound, sound, or, blend, more, word, more. You got it. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Good job. Sound, sound, blend. Good job. Word. You got it. Sound, sound, blend, sound. Yep, it makes the I sound. Blend, sound, blend, word. Great job. Sound, sound, blend. Now, right now, I think it's be, but sometimes it could say be. Let's keep going. That's our first syllable. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Well, that's not a word, that's just a syllable. Gan. Let's put it together. Began or began? Yep, began. All right, let's clap it out. Began. All right, how many syllables did you hear? All right, if you said 2 and you divide it between the E and the G, you got it. Great job. All right, first graders, you did awesome. Day 1 of our blueprints this week. Have an awesome rest of your day. Keep up the hard work.